go. Oh, I watched that one. I also watched the one where a lot of drama happened. Anyways, we have to babysit 2 girls tonight. So, and they're gonna be here in about 3 minutes. So let's go get everything ready. Okay, get everything prepared. Ding dong, ding dong. They're here. Hello. I'm Gwen, and I'm Ruby. I'm Kat. Ah, so Sam and Kat. So, what do you want to do? Anything would be lovely. Sure, do you have any British shows? We don't have any British shows in the United States. Well, any show would be lovely then. What is this show, Gwen and Ruby? Also, Sam. My Nona is hosting a bingo game at Elderly Acres this Friday. We would love to go to that. I guess, why not? Do you guys have any Bibbo around here? What? Ah! Bibbo makes me go hyper. I can't. Well, I've been banned from the Bibble store, so we can't go buy any for you guys. Oh, that's okay. Sam, we need to talk. Come in the bedroom. I don't trust these 2 British girls. They just seem suspicious. Like, I see their grins and it just makes me suspicious. What are they doing? What did they just do?
Let's go.
You destroyed our apartment!
Get out now. No questions asked.
Now, how are we going to clean this mess?
Kick the kids out.
Good, but how are we going to clean this mess?
Actually, no, I'll bring the kids back in.
Okay, now we can come back in. You're cleaning the mess, and then you're going to get out. Ugh, fine.
Because you destroyed it, so you clean it.
Whatever.
And no more roughhousing.
You ransacked the whole house.
And you're going to stay here and watch you clean the whole house.
Yes, that's right. There, all done. Great, now get out.
That teaches the kids a lesson.
Oh, wait, in a few minutes. It's known as bingo game.
Oh, yeah, that.
Let's go. Sam, are you really sure you even know how to drive?
I feel like you might want to take this. I don't really know how to drive a car.
Okay, good, because I have my license. Whoa!
Okay, I'm in.
This car, our car doesn't work.
Oh.
Great!
Try this one. Yeah, I'll try and drive.
Oh, it kind of moved. Woohoo! Finally, we got the car to work.
Yep.
Watch out! We're gonna get into a car accident if we don't drive quick. Did we just break
What?
down?
Yeah, I think so.
No, we're gonna have to walk.
Ah, you just pushed the car.
Oh no, let's try and drive. I'm gonna try and drive it again. Ah!
No, you're gonna run me over.
Well, get in the car then. Get in.
I'm gonna check the hood. And the battery's busted.
Dang it. Well,
Drive this anywhere.
wait. What if those girls destroyed the cars?
Huh?
What if those girls destroyed the cars? You know, Gwen and Ruby?
No.
Gwen and Ruby, what do you want, Salmon Cat?
Did you destroy the car?
Maybe. Get back here. Now we will get you. We will get our revenge. Just you wait. We're going home and we're going to tell our uncle. Goodbye.
Gotcha.
We're going to call your uncle and we're going to have him pick you up. And we're going to watch him yell at you.
I gotcha. You're coming with us.
Hello, is this their uncle? Good, because Gwen and Ruby are being very bad girls. And we need you to come get them and scream at them. You will? Great. Okay, what are we doing? We're walking right past the cars, and this is where the building is.
You're going the wrong way again. Cars are over here.
Which car are we taking? Are you going to drive? It's not moving.
Okay, let's try the other. I'm in it.
You don't want to drive?
No.
All the cars are broken down, Gwen and Ruby, you stupid idiots!
Oh, let's just walk.
Do.
Cat, we're like lost in the first.
How are we going to get home?
I have zero clue.
Well, I guess let's just try and find the way home.
Let's just keep walking straight.
Okay, at least we were finally able to beat those girls.
Yep.
We will return in the next episode. Just you wait.